Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to prestigious 10 Ambassador Drive in Brighton.
This is an Ambassador Drive dream home on an estate-sized lot. So let's take a tour. Step into luxury with this grand foyer, featuring a curved staircase and wood parquet floors. Open to an entertainment-sized living room with crown molding, a beautiful marble fireplace, hardwood floors, and classic garden views.
This spacious Eden Cook's kitchen features beautiful cherry cabinetry, Corian and granite countertops, a center island, and stainless steel appliances, leading to an elegant dining room with custom built-in cabinetry, crown molding, a picture window, and hardwood floors. Open to this spectacular sunroom with a wet bar, a wall of windows, and patio access. The first floor also features an office or bedroom, plus a full bathroom and laundry, while the finished lower level provides expansive additional living space.
This spacious second floor landing has access to an expansive balcony, plus 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, including a beautiful master suite. This architect-designed home has a brick front and wrought iron detailing. Even beautiful night lighting. Step into this beautiful garden paradise with slate patios, exquisite landscaping, and lush gardens. This acre lot has room for expandability and is situated in a private nature setting on Ambassador Drive and East Avenue. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live.
You could have it all in this Ambassador Drive dream home.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 10 Ambassador Drive in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!